Alright guys, so you can see it ready turn on. So already cleaning out, remove the dust, it's just like a little wiping out. Let's see if we can, okay, you can see it. So print is ready. Auto print is coming back online. This was sitting for almost a whole year. We're not been touching it. The only thing is I have an ND3 S1 Pro, so I got two of them. And I got another ND3 Pro. This is the regular ND3. So you can see it. This is the skinny section right here, and that's what it is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put everything on, and we're gonna do some small tests and see how this section over here is gonna work. Especially, you can hear the fans. It's not a lot of noise. Most of the noise coming from this fan right here. If you are calling them out, you guys see it. So it's no noise coming from this and any other part. Even include this right here. It's got a new fan section, so we don't gonna get that much noise from them. So most of the noise, like I say, is going only for the hot end. I decide to keep the original fan because they blow more air and all thing. That's why they super fast and super noisy. Alright guys, so give me a second and I'm gonna go get me some filament for that. And I'll be back in a second. As you guys can see, and we start the procedure auto leveling right now. So that was never done before, so that's one of the things I'm gonna work right now. And still making a lot of noise. What I'm thinking is one of these ones. I think it's this one right here. Down right here is still making a lot of noise, or one of these ones. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these things right here to leave it free, because sooner we're gonna have this one on. And also it's gonna be a bell go across to them. Okay. My auto print is still not initiated, still not working yet, because I gotta take the SD card and put the new Wi-Fi, the new Wi-Fi, change my Wi-Fi password and stuff like that. So that's why I cannot complete initiation. And you can see it. Right now we're on 21 of 25 points. Let's see. Trying to do a small video. Alright guys, so I'll see you in a second. And see, I have to use my tablet to load auto print on the tablet. So you know the auto app. So that's what I've been using it. And right now I gotta pull out the SD card of this one, so I gotta remove this from right here and take it to my computer and change the password into that one. Change everything. So it's a new thing. Alright, so this thing, we do this. Alright, so we're here. It's probably asking me for some update. I need to be done, but I'm not doing anything of that stuff. I'll smack later. Even I try to do an update on the auto print, it's probably will not do anything. So yeah, I can see it. Then auto print on the app. So I got this on the tablet. So let's see if it's doing the update. I'll be back in a second. Alright guys, so we start the printer. So we're going with the calibration cube, editing out using the Creality pad. The tablets work, but I didn't have any files on the tablet, but most of my files was in that thing. And what I've been using is a calibration cube with this one, so I can be able to use the USB to do that one from other stuff. And as you can see it, this thing is gonna start working in a second, and we see what's gonna. So I think it's waiting for temperature, and yes, it's waiting for temperature 205 and 60. So I want to see how good this is still handle. Alright guys, so I see you have soon the printer starting, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright my friends, so we're here back, and the situation is we are missing two bolts over here on this back, though they are completely stripped different. So that's what the issue is with that one, and that's why we're having some issue even with the printer out the cube. But right now I got the printed out, so everything is fine, so everything's working. So far I still got the Raspberry Pi removed, because I gotta go soon gotta do some change on the SD card over there. So that's gonna be another video, and we're gonna do it in the next video, the installation, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll be see you into the next one. Peace out.